You're not ugly. Seriously, you're not ugly. The real reason your face doesn't look the way you want has nothing to do with genetics and everything to do with 7 tiny habits you repeat every single day. Habits that quietly ruin your skin, weaken your jawline, and chip away at your confidence. And the crazy thing, you're doing them without even realizing it. But the best part, every one of these habits is completely fixable. And once you change them, you'll start noticing a difference in just a few weeks. So let's fix your face, one habit at a time. Habit 1, constantly touching your face. You might not notice it, but you touch your face dozens of times a day, rubbing your eyes, resting your chin, scratching your cheek. And every time, you're transferring dirt, oil, and bacteria straight onto your skin. That's where those random breakouts, greasy forehead, and dull texture come from. You think it's your skin type, but it's literally your hands. The fix: build awareness. The moment you catch yourself reaching for your face, stop. Keep your hands clean and away from your skin. The less contact, the clearer you'll look. Habit 2, chewing on only one side. Sounds harmless, but this actually changes the shape of your face over time. If you always chew gum or food on one side, that side gets stronger and more defined, while the other falls behind. Years later, your face starts to look uneven, and asymmetry instantly lowers attractiveness. The fix: alternate sides. Switch while chewing. Train both sides of your jaw evenly so your face stays balanced and sharp. Habit 3, not getting natural sunlight. Bro, sunlight isn't optional. It's fuel. Without it, your skin gets washed out, your eyes lose their spark, and your energy tanks. Compare someone who gets regular sun with someone who stays indoors all day. One looks vibrant and alive, the other looks drained and dull. The fix: get 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. Go for a morning walk, train outside, or just sit where the sun hits you. You'll look fresher, feel better, and yes, wear sunscreen. Habit 4, terrible sleep. Missing sleep doesn't just make you tired, it damages your appearance. Sleep is prime time for recovery. No sleep means dark circles, puffiness, tired skin, and an overall swollen look. The fix: aim for 7 to 8 hours. Sleep at a consistent time. Cut screens an hour before bed. Your melatonin, basically your natural glow-up hormone, crashes every time you doom scroll at 2 a.m. Quality sleep equals better skin, brighter eyes, cleaner jawline. Habit 5, too much caffeine. Coffee is fine until you turn it into your coping mechanism. Once you're drinking 3 to 4 cups a day, caffeine starts drying out your skin, messing with your sleep, and making you anxious instead of confident. The fix: keep it to 1 cup. For every coffee, drink a glass of water. Real energy comes from nutrition, rest, and movement, not caffeine overload. Habit 6, carrying too much stress. Stress literally shows up on your face. Breakouts, dullness, tension lines. That's cortisol ruining your skin's natural glow. Think about exam season, heartbreak, burnout. Your face always looks older during those times, right? That's stress in action. The fix: you can't erase stress, but you can manage it. Work out, go for walks, breathe, hang out with people who make you laugh. When your mind relaxes, your face starts healing again. Habit 7, blaming everything on genetics. This is the biggest trap. Every time you look in the mirror and say, "It's just my genetics," you allow yourself to stay stuck. Yes, genetics give you a base, but habits shape your overall look. Your diet, grooming, sleep, haircut, and lifestyle can transform your entire appearance. The fix: stop blaming, start improving. Eat better, move more, sleep right, clean up your style. You'll be shocked by how much your face can change once you put effort in. Truth is, most of your potential is built, not inherited. So remember this: you were never ugly. You just needed to stop sabotaging your own face. If you want more glow up and self-improvement content like this, hit that subscribe button and start leveling up into the best looking version of yourself.